Hi Dada Loves! Coffee ba and view ang hanap mo? May bago na naman akong napuntahan na place and highly recommend talaga siya guys. Are you looking for a new place tahimik at napakaganda? Try here at Cafe Tana. You can search Cafe Tana through Google Map. San Jose Tarlac or Sitio Baag. Nag-open sila every weekends, Saturday and Sunday. 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. May masasarap na kape, sweets, and rice meals meron din sila at iba pa. And open din sila for photo shoots, like for nuptial shoots. Much better message and book muna sa kanilang page para magpa-reserve ng date. Short story kasi nung pumunta kami dito noon, weekdays na tapos hindi alam ni client na mayroon palang reservations fee. So much better guys, PM nyo muna sila sa kanilang page. And guys, pwede rin kayong mag-camping dito. For booking also, just PM Cafe Tana page. Meron na silang camper van and A-frame houses rent. No worries kasi sobrang safe naman dito. Pero much better magdaladlit kayo ng more foods and water. Kasi isa lang yung bilihan dito at hindi kumpleto. Guys, baka magulat kayo, may entrance din pala dito na 50 pesos per head. Grabe, diba ang ganda ng ambience? Nakaka-relax, kaya guys, try nyo na dito, promise. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng fun and exciting place, here na at Sitio Baag Cafe Tana. This place is perfect for you guys, so tara na. So ano pang hinihintay mo guys? Para ma-experience mo to, punta ka na dito. Ayun lang guys, thank you for watching. Bye!